Meet the 019 drone, a feature-packed, professional-grade quadcopter that delivers crystal-clear 4K footage, ultra-smooth stability, and advanced GPS navigation, all in a sleek, foldable design built for performance on the go. At its core, the 019 drone is equipped with a high-resolution 4K camera, mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This powerful combo ensures your aerial footage is not only sharp but also buttery smooth, even in windy conditions or during rapid movements. Whether you're filming travel content, real estate, events, or landscapes, your shots will look cinematic and professional every time. The drone features 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, giving you real-time video feedback with ultra-low latency directly to your smartphone. This means you can fly farther, frame your shots better, and enjoy a more immersive first-person view experience, with zero signal lag. Thanks to GPS positioning, the 019 drone offers a suite of intelligent flight features. You get auto return to home, waypoint flight, follow me mode, and point of interest orbiting, making it easy to create complex aerial shots with minimal effort, even if you're a beginner. Under the hood, brushless motors provide powerful thrust, quiet operation, and long-term durability, allowing for more stable flights and better performance in moderate wind conditions. The foldable design makes it highly portable, ideal for travelers, vloggers, or anyone who needs a high-performance drone that fits easily into a backpack. Whether you're a content creator, drone hobbyist, or someone looking to level up their aerial photography, the 019 drone is an excellent balance of performance, portability, and price. Hammer and wrench key features recap: 4K Ultra HD camera for professional quality aerial footage, 3-axis mechanical gimbal for smooth and stable video capture, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, real-time, low-latency video feed, GPS smart flight modes, return to home, follow me, waypoints, orbit. Brushless motors, powerful, efficient, and long-lasting. Foldable and lightweight design, easy to carry, perfect for travel. Beginner-friendly controls with auto takeoff, landing, and intelligent hover. Bullseye perfect for aerial cinematography and photography, travel vlogs and social media content. Drone beginners and intermediate pilots. Real estate marketing, outdoor adventures and scenic exploration. Clapperboard capture every detail. Fly with confidence. Discover the skies with the 019 4K GPS drone.